Operation Love Thy Neighbor is a go. That's it, guys. There we go. Get some good breakfast now, fellas. It's hard to get everybody in frame at once. There he is. Toss a couple more. That away. Let's see, got him. Mr. Blue Jay. Another Mr. Blue Jay. Yeah, everybody's starting to come in now. Guess the word's getting out. And it's a cold and windy day, so you can't blame them for being hungry. Looking for a treat. On a nice chilly day like today. What do we think, guys? You can hear them giving their secret signal to one another. There he is. Hey. What do we think, guys? I guess he likes it. What do you guys think, though? That's the question. I'm not tossing your favorites enough yet. Alright, how about these? How about those? Are those good enough? He says yes. There you go. He does too. Don't you, fellas? Alright. Next wave coming. There you go, buddy. So I just want a daily reminder, America is run by the richest pedophiles to ever live, and they're trying to damn the earth before you figure it out. That's what the Iran war is. It's an attempt to damn your soul so they can still sell it to the devil before you're hip to the fact that they did it in the first place. So, just a reminder that Christ's 2 commandments are your only way out. Love God with your whole heart, mind, and soul, and love thy neighbor as thyself. Or y'all are going to be burning in a fire that never go out, while beings that eat suffering torment your soul. You were always told something like that would happen if you didn't listen to Jesus. Well, now the time has come. The time has come for you to prove. Do you walk the straight and narrow, or are you just a bullshitter?